back to another video. Today I have something very special. I'm going to do barbecue since it's springtime. We're going to make my favorite lamb chops, and also this is very special because back in days, probably 5 years ago, we used to have a restaurant. I mentioned this before, and we made this for a very special person that I invited, my family invited. It was a family business. We invited Aryana Sayeed. I'm sure a lot of people know her. She's a famous singer of Afghanistan. That day, I was supposed to go to her concert and I couldn't go to her concert. So basically what I did, I contacted her makeup artist, Barry. So finally we talked and I invited them over. And they didn't get back to me when we were open. So basically we closed down the restaurant, we go home. By called me and let me know that they are coming. And honestly, I was jumping up and down and like I was screaming. It was 2 a.m. in the morning and my husband's like, what's going on? What's going on? I'm like, you know what? We are going back. And I was shaking, so I couldn't drive. So my husband was driving, thank God. So basically we reached a restaurant and I called my family like, you guys are coming back. They're like, what's going on? What's going on? I'm like, Aryana Sayeed is coming to a restaurant. So basically the whole family came back and we had a perfect dinner. It was amazing.
That was really cool. It was what, was it 2 in the morning, right?
Yeah, it was 2 in the morning and it was amazing. We made lamb chops, we barbecue some meat, whatever we had in the restaurant. So we just like, I know her favorite is shola. I'm sure I'm gonna make it.
But yeah, that night you made like lamb chops, you made like kebabs.
Yeah, that night we made lamb chops. We made,
I remember.
I think we had kabili, we had kababs, we had a bunch of stuff.
It was not only just her, it was like...
basically it was all her team.
All the musicians and everybody,
right? It was her makeup artist, Mariam. She's such a sweetheart. And also her husband, Hasib John, was there.
That was a really fun night. I remember that night.
It was an amazing night. It was such a great night. I have some videos. I'll, for sure, I'm gonna put it here. You can see it. I'll put her link so you can go visit her as well. I have some pictures with her, so I'm just gonna go share that with you. Another fun fact was that we had clients that wanted to reserve the same table as Aryana Sayeed. They wanted the same table, exact the same place, and that was really fun to see. So let's go cook up some stuff that she had that night, and I'm sure you're gonna love it too. For today's video, I'm just gonna make part of the food that I made for Aryana Sayeed, which are the lamb chops and as well the kebab. So also I have some veggies to grill, and I have my ingredients. So let's begin. For this recipe, we need minced beef, some lamb chops. We have some vegetables to barbecue, coriander, 1 large onion, dried coriander, turmeric, sumac, black pepper, minced garlic, salt, and some virgin olive oil. So since it's spring and we have to use lots of colors, I chose my blue gloves. That's so ugly.
Yeah.
Don't put that.
Okay.
Alright, so first thing we do is we're gonna start by simple marination of my lamb chops. Lamb chops, you don't want to spice it so much, okay? So just grab some garlic, just a bit of onions. That's enough. Some salt to taste. Some black pepper, and last we need some olive oil. Give it a massage. Alright, so this is ready. I'm just gonna cover it and put it aside, and we're moving on to the other kebab. So for the minced beef, we are adding some onions. Just gonna add a little more. And we got some coriander. For the spices, I got dry coriander. It's about 1 teaspoon. Half a teaspoon of turmeric. 1 teaspoon sumac. Some salt to taste. My favorite, garlic. It's about 1 tablespoon garlic and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. We're gonna mix everything together. Let's just enjoy some ASMR sound. So we did massage our meat for about 10 minutes. If you want good kebab, that's the good trick to do. Now we're gonna put them on the skewers. We are done and it's all ready. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. For me it was too fun because it's such a nice day outside, it's sunny and it's best for barbecue as well. I'm just gonna try it for you guys. That's a nice bite. Really good, really good. So I'm just gonna try the lamb chops. It looks so juicy. That fat is melting in my mouth. So yummy. Just the way I like it. It's not too cooked, it's just perfect. It's amazing. Really good. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. Don't forget to share with all your friends and family. And thank you so much for always supporting me. Bye bye.